In this problem, you have to calculate the value of log 1 by 3 to the base 27. To solve this question, first you have to convert this base 27 to 3. To change the base of logarithm, you must use the principle that is log b to base a is also equals to log b base m divided by log a to base m. So this is solved to log 1 by 3 to base 3 divided by log, this is 27 to the base 3. This also can be written as log 1 by 3 is 3 to power minus 1 to base 3 divided by log 27 is 3 to power 3 to base 3. As you must know that log a to power n to base a is equals to n. So here n is minus 1, so this solves to minus 1 divided by here n is power 3, so this is 3. So this is solves to minus 1 divided by 3. So this is our answer.